Mr. Mark, are you riding your bike?
Yes.
Yes? Good job. Okay. Wow, you want to drive in the hole, Mark? Hey, Mark, turn around. What do you want to do, Mark, here? Huh? Where are you going? Oh, mixed steaks are there. Here? Kids live there, right? Cats live here, okay? But there is no cat, Mark, here. Even one, okay? Where are we going, Mark? Wait for Didi, Mark. Wait for Didi. You are so fast. I can't get you. You are so fast, Mark. You want to ride it? Okay, ride your bike, Mark. Oh, Mark, look, there are doves there, Mark. Pigeons. Pigeons. Okay, these are pigeons, Mark. They're eating. They're having breakfast, right, Mark? Pigeons are having breakfast. What is this, Mark? This is lion? Lion, look, lion. Dangerous lions, right? Lions are dangerous, Mark. Yeah? Mark, I want to show you something. Bird's house, look, Mark. There is a small bird's house, look. Look at this, Mark. Look at this cool bird's house, Mark. Huh? You wanna try it? You wanna touch it? Do you wanna touch it, okay? You wanna take a look at this inside? Oh, what is this, Mark? You see? Oh, yeah.
Mommy,
Here.
don't do this.
Birds can come here and have dinner or lunch.
Mommy.
Yummy. Okay, let's go. Mark, let's ride a car. Woohoo! Get in the car. Do you want to sit in? Huh? Oh, Mark, there's an airplane. This is airplane, Mark. Get in airplane. Yeah, get in airplane, Mark. Sit down. Ah, do you want to fly with me? Come on, Mark. It's not enough space, Mark, for me. Very good, Mark. Here I see. Whoa, Mark, you're flying in an airplane, Mark.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I see you, Mark. What is this, Mark? This is Tesla? Or maybe this is Mercedes-Benz? Okay, here. Get inside. Oh, ho, ho. Whoa. Ho, 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 ho. Or maybe I sit here. Okay, I sit here. Okay. Okay, let's spin. Woo! Woohoo! I feel dizzy, Mark, already. We're spinning. Yeah, that's it, Mark. Come on. Yeah, it's enough. Oh, Mark, I found one more nesting box, Mark. Do you want to see nesting box? Come on, let's go there. Oh, Mark, you get up the stairs by your bike, Mark. Very good, Mark. You're doing very hard work, Mark. Oh, Mark. Professional. Wow, what a cool labyrinth. Do you want to get here? Okay, get in. Park your bike. And let's go here. Oh, Mark, this is a big ship, actually. Look, you are standing here. You're, Mark, standing here in the front of your ship, Mark. Here. Do you want to ride it? Huh? Too scary. Okay, too scary. Okay. Ho, 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 Mark. What a cool ship. Whoa. Woo-hoo. Run here. Uh-oh. Whoa, hello. I'm here. Mark, climb here by the rope, Mark. You can climb by the rope. Hold the rope, Mark, and get up the stairs. And get up the stairs, actually. Mark. Good job, Mark. This is Russian alphabet, Mark. What's this letter, Mark? A, B, V, G, D, E. Yo! Take your bike. Mm-hmm. That's it, yeah? Okay, it's enough for us, yeah. Okay, turn around, Mark. Okay, ride a circle. Mark, so many birds here. Yeah, so many birds. You can see so many birds here, Mark. Let's go, Mark. Let's go away. Mark, too much dust here. Let's go away. It's closed, Mark. You can't open it. So, let's go around, Mark. We can't go this way, right? Come on. Look. Go this way. Yeah. Oh. Give me a 5. Good job. Yeah. You done it. Okay. Do you need help? You need help? Okay. I can help you. Take off your bike. Well done. Okay. Yeah. We're done. Okay. Do you have water there?
What?
Okay. Water. Oh. Oh, thank you, Mr. Mark. Thank you so much. Don't spill water, please. Okay, don't spill it. Oh, Mark, you spill water. Okay, thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Put the bike in the car. Okay, time to go. Woohoo! We are going for a walk. For a walk. My son. Hey.